What's going on, YouTube? I just got this grill brush from Amazon, and it's an Amazon Basics three-sided grill brush. It has an 18-inch handle. This was really super affordable on Amazon, and it's a knockoff, basically a knockoff of the Weber three-sided grill brush. So I just got this from Amazon Prime, and we're going to go ahead and open this up and take a look at what it looks like. So here's what the grill brush looks like. I like the way they did the packaging. This looks really good. I mean, it's for the price. This thing looks like it's pretty good quality. I've normally been getting the grill brushes that they have at Walmart. It's nice. It's got sort of a rubberized, rubber coating on the handle. I was expecting hard plastic, and it's not. It's like sort of got a grippy sort of rubber handle on it. It's definitely a nice length. I mean, 18 inches. That's pretty awesome. That should be able to get onto the grill without burning myself. Let's take a closer look here at the bristles. Yeah, it looks really good, and it definitely looks like it's a total knockoff of the Weber grill brushes that Weber makes. Who knows? It's probably the same company, the same factory in China makes this one for Amazon as they do for Weber. Let's see how these feel. The bristles are kind of on the thin side, so not sure how long it's going to last. But heck, for the price and the quality, it definitely beats. Like I said, I've normally been getting the Walmart ones, just like the cheapest grill brush, the plastic handle with the bristles at Walmart. And this was about the same price, but definitely a higher quality. Yeah, I love the way they package this. It's just funny how they did like a pretty nice job packaging, and it's like nowadays almost everything's coming in packaging like you're opening an iPhone or something. So hand wash only. I don't know about you guys, but I normally don't put my grill brushes in the washing machine or in the dishwasher. But it's nice of them to let us know to do hand wash only. Anyway, pretty cool. I'll put the link down in the description for where you can get this on Amazon. And like I said, it's really affordable. You can't really go wrong with it. I mean, even if it only lasts one season, it's at this price, you can't go wrong. All right, thanks for looking.